What's up YouTube? This is your boy Chef Fitzy, and today I have a quick and easy breakfast recipe. Alright, here you can see I have some hams that I'm going to use. I also have some nice white onion, some fresh scallion aka tribe, also a half-ripe tomato. Also I have 4 nice fresh eggs that I'm using, and also some black pepper, and also some salt. Alright, so stay tuned. Let me show you what I'm going in my kitchen. Alright. Alright, welcome back guys. So now we're gonna go in with our 4 eggs that we have here. We're gonna go ahead and break them nicely, and then we're gonna go ahead and whisk them. Alright, so we're gonna basically do a scrambled egg first, and then we're gonna use it to stuff our ham, and then we're gonna add our rest of season there, like our white onion and our tomato and our fresh scallion. Alright, going our salt, black pepper, and also we're gonna go ahead and whisk it nicely. Alright, this breakfast menu is so easy, and I tell you, the kids gonna love it. Alright, so our tin tray that we use in that muffin tin tray, we greased it early on, as you can see. Alright, we don't want the ham to stick to the bottom. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and place our ham nicely, like that muffin cover that we normally use for a muffin. Alright, so we're just going to stick them down nicely, and then now we're going to go ahead and start prepare our egg to stuff our muffin. Alright, so as you can see, our pot here heated. I put about an ounce of butter in there that we're going to use and scramble our egg. Alright, so we let the butter kind of melt a little bit first, and then we're going to add our egg to it. Alright, so let's go in with all of our egg that we whisked early on. Alright, this is, as I tell you, this is a quick and easy recipe. I'm telling you, it's so simple and easy. Alright, so we're not going to overcook our egg. We're just going to ensure that the egg kind of scramble a little bit, and then we're going to use it to stuff our ham. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove this egg. This is the right texture that we're looking for. We're going to go ahead and remove it right now. Alright, good to go. Alright, so let's go in with our egg. As you can see, our ham is nicely placed in this muffin tin. Alright, we're going to use our scrambled egg to stuff our ham. Alright, so we're going to go through and stuff all of them nicely to ensure that our ham is ready to put into the oven. Alright, so let's stuff all of them. After all of our ham is nicely stuffed with our scrambled egg, as you can see, we're going to go in with some of our white onion, and we're going to use this white onion placed on the top of the egg. The onion gonna give it a nice authentic flavor that you're looking for, so please don't skip that process. Alright, so after we put in all our white onion on top of the egg, we're gonna go in with our tomato. Alright, so the tomato gonna give it a nice flavor. As you can see, I use a half-ripe tomato just to give it a firmer texture. Alright, so the tomato won't easily dissolve into the egg. Alright, so let's also go in with some of our green onion on top. Alright, so the green onion gonna give it a nice flavor that you're looking for. Alright, And don't forget the cheese, the Parmesan shredded cheese. Let's put the cheese on top. Stuff all of our muffins. Stuff them nicely, alright? After that, we're gonna go ahead and clean up our muffin tin because we don't want the cheese to melt all over on it. And then we're gonna put it into the oven. Alright, easy and quick breakfast menu. Oh, we heated our oven for 360 degrees. So let's put in our muffin for 10 minutes. So as you can see, after 10 minutes, remove it from the oven. Look how beautiful it is. We're going to put it on a plate and let you guys see it. And there you have it, guys. Our nice, beautiful egg muffin. Make easy in the Fitzy kitchen. I hope you guys continue to enjoy my recipe. Continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzy on YouTube, Facebook and WhatsApp. Egg muffin, I'm out.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible. If I can do it, you can spread your wings. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river. Blessing off a flow like a river.